Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another tutorial made very simple. I know y'all have been seeing these tape-ins going viral all across the internet, so I was like, alright, so let me go ahead and teach y'all how to put them in the easy and simple way. First thing you want to do, make sure y'all smooth out y'all client's hair just as straight as you can make it. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but just make sure it's nice and easy and smoothed out. You want that hair to be fresh, clean, and washed. Limit oils, no oils hardly at all, because you don't want the tape-ins to slip. So go ahead and make sure that hair is washed, blow dried, and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and trim up these ends. Personal preference, you don't have to do this. My client just wanted me to do that. So here I have these personalized, looking real good tape-ins. I also came with the tape-in holders so that you can, get the hair out the way. First thing you want to do, go ahead and part out your hair in that fourth section. You want to make sure that you part out enough hair so that it is covering the comb. If it's not covering the comb, then you have a problem and it's going to show that tape-in. So if you need to part out more hair, do like so, and then check it again just to see and make sure it's covering. Once you go ahead and do that, grab your rubber band and section off that section, and you can go ahead and clip that section away and move on to the next one. I did the same thing to this other section over here. Made sure I checked it there. Once I found out everything was good, tied it off, clipped it back up, repeat it back in the front. So first thing you want to do is make about a centimeter sized part going all the way across. I genuinely do not have to make things perfect when I do it because it doesn't really make a huge difference, but you want to make sure that you're laying everything properly. So first thing you want to do is look for that sticky side. You want to grab the hair, and what you want to do is kind of pull it off the scalp and place your tape in, not on the scalp, but a little further down from the scalp. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can really see exactly where to place it, but that's where you want to place it. Then you want to grab that excess hair from under there. You only need the hair that really it catches onto, and you want to sandwich on the other tape in right on top of it, like so. Once you do that, pinch that down. Then you want to grab your little mini flat iron. And what you want to do is smooth it a little bit just to melt that on there. And then it is ready to go. Now, it's optional to smooth it as you go, but that's what I decided to do because I know I was going to smooth it again at the end and curl it up for my client. You guys can make that decision as you're learning. Y'all see how I pulled that little piece of hair out? Make sure y'all don't go all the way exactly close as possible. Y'all don't have to do that. Just leave a little bit of room. You always want to leave some extra cushion room. It's never going to make a problem. So I completed the whole back section. Just wanted to show y'all basically what's going on back here. I'm checking through to make sure everything is covered. I'm combing that part up. As you can see, we cannot see them good old tape-ins right there from the back. This is going to be a flawless install. And like I said, y'all, I did color this myself. My client has dark roots going into red. She has different hues of red in her hair, so we made it match as close as possible. Now, you want to do that same step that we did in the beginning in the front. And you want to make sure that it is not showing the comb. See how I did a little diagonal back section and then I did a little horizontal section right above the ear. That's what you want to do and make sure that it's not showing nothing. If it is, pull out some extra hair. Once you go ahead and tie it away, move on to the other section and do the same exact thing. So what I did as a mistake when I first started doing these was I didn't cut my I didn't cut my tape-ins in the beginning, and I didn't make it fit to the proper section, and I also did my parting sections wrong. You want to do these horizontal, stacking on the head if you're going to do like a middle part. Because when you pull it up into a ponytail, it is still going to lay flat whether it's going up or down. You get what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm sandwiching my tape-ins together and then boom. So this side is complete. You guys can see that she definitely does have a bang right there in the front, but you guys will see what I'll do for that once I go ahead and cut this. So after I went ahead and completed everything, I just, wrapped it up in a bun to see if I missed any spots. And then I went around and combed it just to make sure that I didn't miss anything, nothing looked sloppy, and that she could definitely pull in a seamless ponytail. But can y'all see how this just looks like her hair? Look at the color. It's giving very much hers. Look at the texture. That kinky straight hair is it, y'all. I'm going to try to put the link in the bio to exactly where she got this hair from. But I absolutely love these tape-ins. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and face frame the front to match her bangs. And we're going to do that on both sides just so that when I curl her hair, everything blends seamlessly. Curling the hair is optional, but my client wanted some very loose beach curls, so that's what we're doing with the flat iron. Now, y'all don't got to make this perfect, and understand that y'all be seeing these girls on Instagram, and they be doing this. Yeah, we get it. Y'all can make it look seamless, that's great, but practice makes perfect. And truthfully, this is probably one of the easiest installs I have ever seen. Like, I would literally love to do this for my clients. After doing it on my sister's hair, I was like, okay, yeah, bet. Let's get it. Because it's so easy to do. And all you got to do is learn your parting techniques and make sure that you have enough hair out so that you are not showing your tape-ins. That is all. Like, look at that. Just look at that. Does that not look like it's coming out her scalp? That is crazy. Look at that. Yes, it is giving very much so. Almost made me want to take my locks out. Put some tape-ins real bad. But yeah, so I'm just testing out to see if she can do a ponytail, she can do a bun, and pulling it back down, and it's still giving irregardless. Like, yeah. Yeah, you feeling this, sis, I know. You ain't even gotta say much. But yeah, this was such an easy and simple install. Once again, y'all, just try and do it as many times as you can. Another hint that I want to give you guys, listen, take this in. Get the ones with the darker colored root, okay? Do not get the blonde ones unless your hair is blonde, because then it'll stand out. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Tune into my next video. I'll show y'all how to color everything. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.